Okay, here's yet another elevator. I think this is the theater and drama building, I think.
Oh, this is the Neil Marshall Black Culture Center.
Okay, I'll mark it as that then. They did it again.
Nice capsule though.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a pretty funky buzz.
Yeah.
Cab view, also a nice one. I'm sure Jordan agrees.
Yeah.
Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. 3,500 pounds. I already showed the certificate, I think. Phone. Got vandal resistant fixtures. And it's got that rear indicator also. I think we'll end on one.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's another way to get out. It is taking forever to level though. Actually, do you want to press it? I don't think you pressed it. Yeah, there you go. Well, overall thoughts?
Nice one.
How do you rate it out of 5 stars?
3.5, maybe 4.
What do you think could be improved with this thing?
Get rid of the beeping sound.
The buzz, yeah, it is kind of funky. Well, there it goes. That'll be it.